what's up? So today we are going to be continuing our palette journey, and today we are going to be using the Chaotic Cosmetics Double Scoop Deluxe palette. So if you want to see how I got this look on my eyes, then just stay tuned. All right, so I already have my eye primed and ready to go. And today we are going to go in with the Chaotic Cosmetics Double Scoop Deluxe palette. I am going to take this purple right up here. These shades don't have names, so yeah, I'll just probably point to each shade. So I'm gonna go up with this purple right here and begin. I'm just gonna place this right up here. Then I'm gonna go in with the hot pink in the palette, and we're just gonna blend that out a little bit. I'm bringing that pink down a little bit further than the purple. That way our orange can blend into it flawlessly. All right, I'm gonna take the orange in the palette. Put a little bit of that right in here. And then the yellow in the palette. This palette is filthy, you guys. So sorry I didn't bother cleaning it before. And that's just gonna go right in there. All right, so what I'm doing right now is I'm taking a little bit of Hank and Henry's Color Canvas paint in the shade Sky Blue, and I'm just kind of cutting that area out a bit. And then I'm gonna go in with the blue in the palette. And I'm gonna focus that right into the middle of that whole area. And then I'm taking that turquoise shade in the palette and placing that on either side of that blue, just so it kind of looks like we spent hours blending it out. Taking a little bit of that lavender shade or lilac shade, I'm just placing that right here on my brow bone area, just to kind of blend it with that lighter turquoise shade a bit. And then the lime green in the palette. Going in with Hank and Henry's Color Canvas paint again in yellow. We're just gonna cut this out now. All right, and now I'm gonna take the three shimmers in the palette. It's this goldish yellow, this orange, and then this pink down here. And we're just gonna ombre those on the lid. All right, so now I'm gonna take this liquid lipstick from Hank and Henry. This is called Miss Thing. Almost said Wild Thing. This is called Miss Thing. I'm putting this on my brow as well as outlining the whole shape of that eye. All right, so now we're gonna take the Urban Decay Shadow Stick in the shade Fishbowl, and I'm just going to line my eye with this. All right, so I've added a little bit more primer to my lower lash line area. And now I'm gonna go back in with that purple that we started with. Then I'm gonna go in with the pink. Then a little bit of the orange again. And to finish it off, the yellow once more. All right, so now I'm gonna add some glitter and gems. It would not be a Bria look if we did not add some glitz to it. So I'm gonna be taking this pink glitter by LA Splash and this pink glitter by Eye Candy Cosmetics. This one is called Bubblegum. This one doesn't have a name. I'm gonna mix those two together and put them on my brow and add some gems. Wearing in the welcome flags and feeling seldom separate on the street. All right, and now we're gonna add some Tres Chic lashes. These are in the style Rosé. And I'm just going to apply those to my eye and we will be right back with the finished look. And here is the final eye look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I am really loving how this look turned out. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.